Good morning student. I am S.K. Misra, teacher of maths in DAV CCL grade 8. Today I am going to start the third part of mensuration, which is area of trapezium. Student, you have already learned about area of rectangle, which is L into B, area of a square, which is side into side, means side square, area of triangle, which is equal to half into base into height, area of parallelogram, which is equal to base into height. Now we have to learn here area of trapezium. What is a trapezium? Trapezium is a quadrilateral whose one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Here PQRS is a trapezium whose side PQ parallel RS. So we draw SA perpendicular on PQ and QB perpendicular on SR produced at B. Area of trapezium. Here we join QS. Now this trapezium is divided into two triangles. Area of triangle PQS plus area of triangle QRS. Trapezium is divided into two parts, two triangles, and SA is perpendicular for triangle PQS and QB perpendicular for triangle SQR, yeah, QRS. We know that area of triangle is half into base into height, so half into PQ into SA, half into PQ into SA, plus for this triangle, area of triangle QRS is equal to half into RS or SR into QB. We know that the perpendicular distance between two parallel lines are equal, so SA is equal to QB, and taken H, so then it is equal to half into PQ into H plus half into SR into H, taking H as a common, half into H as a common, then PQ plus SR. It means half into height into PQ and RS, yeah, SR is a sum of parallel sides, sum of parallel sides. Now we have a question. The area of trapezium is 850 centimeter square. One of the parallel side is 64 centimeter and perpendicular distance between parallel side is 17 centimeter. Find the length of other parallel sides. So we know that area of trapezium half into generally taken sum of parallel side as A plus B into height, perpendicular distance, height, altitude all have same meaning. So here one parallel side is given 64 and other is not known. Height is given here. Height is 17 centimeter and area is already given here 850 centimeter square. So therefore 850 into 2 is equal to 64 plus B into 17, or 64 plus B, then 850 into 2 by 17, 17 fives are means 100 centimeter, or B is equal to then 100 minus 64 centimeter is equal to 36 centimeter. Now second question, if the area of trapezium is 28 meter square and two parallel sides are 8 meter and 60 decimeter, respectively find altitude. Here we have to find height. So we know that to 60 decimeter means 6 meter, because 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. So then area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel sides, which is taken as A plus B, and area is given 28 meter square, half, and A plus B both are given here. Sum of parallel sides, both parallel sides are given 8 meter and 6 meter into height, or is equal to half into 14 into H, 7, or H is equal to then 28 meter square by 7 meter means 4 meter. So height is 4 meter. Question is, the area of a trapezium is 248 square meter and its height is 8 meter. If one of the parallel side is smaller than the other by 4 meter, So let two parallel sides be x and x minus 4 meter respectively, because here it is given one parallel side is less than other by 4. So if one is x parallel side, the other will be x minus 4. So here area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel sides, means a plus b, into height, and area is given 248 meter square is equal to half. One parallel side is x, other is x minus 4, and height is given here by 4 two sides, and height is 8 meter, to 8 meter square, 2 4 8, so or 2x minus 4, then here it 2x minus 4 is multiplied by 4, so 2x minus 4 is equal to 248 by 4, because when we transpose from RHS 4 from RHS to LHS, so it is divided to 2 4 6 2 62, or 2x is equal to then 62 plus 4 66 meter, or x is equal to 33 meter. Then so one parallel side is 33 meter, and other equal to 33 minus 4 29 meter. Next question is two parallel sides of a trapezium are 58 centimeter and 42 centimeter. The other two sides are equal length, which is 17 centimeter. Find area of trapezium. Here all four sides are given of a trapezium. Height is not given. So 42 centimeter, 58 centimeter, and non-parallel sides are equal. So we draw, if ABCD is a trapezium, we draw D perpendicular to AB and CF perpendicular to AB. Here both triangles are congruent because these two sides are equal, perpendicular distance also be equal, and one angle is 90 degree, so both are congruent. So AE is equal to, here draw D perpendicular AB and CF perpendicular perpendicular AB. Then triangle AED congruent triangle BCF. So therefore AE is equal to FB is equal to 58 minus 42, because when we draw a perpendicular, then this side, both sides, opposite sides are equal, because it becomes a parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal. Then by 2, so these two sides are equal, and their sum is 58 minus 42, which is 16 by 2, means 8 centimeter each. Means AE is 8 centimeter and BF also be 8 centimeter. Now here we have to find first height, because for finding the area of trapezium we must have height also. So now in triangle AED, DE square is equal to AD square minus AE square by Pythagoras theorem. Yeah, so a 17 square minus 8 square, 289 minus 64, 224, which is 15 square. Therefore D is equal to 15 meter. So now area of trapezium half A plus B, which is sum of parallel sides, into height, so half, and the parallel sides are already 42 and 58 centimeter, 58 centimeter into 15 centimeter. So means half into 100 into 15 centimeter square, 750 centimeter square. Next question is, the perimeter of a trapezium is 104 meter. Perimeter means here sum of all sides, 4 sides. Its non-parallel sides are 18 and 22 centimeter, and its altitude 16 meter. Finds area of trapezium. So perimeter of a trapezium means sum of parallel side plus sum of non-parallel sides. Perimeter of trapezium equal to sum of parallel sides plus sum of non-parallel sides. So, or a perimeter is given 104 meter is equal to A plus B here. So sum of parallel sides plus 18 plus 22 meter. So or A plus B then equal to 104 minus sum of 18 and 22, which is 40, means 64 meter. Now area of trapezium half into sum of parallel sides, which is A plus B, into height. So half sum of parallel sides is here at 64 meter into height is 16 meter, means here given altitude. So 8 4 ja 32, carry 3, 8 6 ja 48 plus 3 512 meter square. Now we have to know area of polygon. Polygon means it is bounded by 3 or more line segment. So here PQRS RST is a polygon, and here it is divided into two parts. One part PRST is just a trapezium and PQR is a triangle. So area of polygon PQRST is equal to area of trapezium PRST plus area triangle PQR. So trapezium, we know that half into sum of parallel sides. So sum of parallel sides is 6 plus 10 into height plus area of triangle is half into base into height. Base is here PR, which is 10 centimeter, and height is 5 centimeter square. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So 16 2s are 32 plus 5 5s are 25 centimeter square, means 57 centimeter square. Again, find the area of another polygon, which is octagonal figure, because a regular octagonal figure. Regular means here all sides or 8 sides, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, all equal. 8 sides are equal here, so it is called. If a polygon is regular, then its all sides are equal. Here this octagonal is divided into 3 parts. This part is a trapezium, this is a rectangle, and this is also be a trapezium. Area of octagonal A B C D E F G H is equal to area trapezium HCBA plus area rectangle GDCH plus area trapezium GDEF. So this is equal to half into sum of parallel sides, means 11 plus 4 into height. All sides are 50 meter. 5 meter. 5 meter. So 11 plus 5, because these two sides are parallel, into height 4 plus area of rectangle. We know that L into B, the L is 11 into 5 meter square, and this is also be trapezium, so half into sum of parallel sides. So 11, because opposite sides of a rectangle are equal, so 11 meter plus 5 into 4, so 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, and this is equal to 15 into 2, 30 meter square, plus this is 55 meter square, and this is also be 15 2 30 meter square. So 60 plus 115 meter square. Question: there is a pentagonal park. Neha and Nidhi divided it into 2 different ways to find its area. Here this one is a pentagonal park whose base is given 12 meter and this height is 15 meter, and height from base to top is given 28 meter. Now Neha and Nidhi wanted to find its area by two different ways. अब Neha's figure, if it is A, B, C, D, E, and draw DF is a perpendicular from D to AB. So now this triangle, this pentagonal is divided into two trapezium. So obviously 6 meter, its base is given 12 meter, and both trapezium are of equal base. Here base taken AF and FB as a base. Then area of pentagonal shape A, B, C, D, E. It is divided into two equal trapezium. 15 meter. This one is 28 meter, and height is itna. So half into sum of parallel sides means 15 plus 28 into height 6, plus also be half 15 plus 28 into 6. So 2 3 are 6, 2 3 are 6, and this is 15 plus 28, 43 into 3, plus here also 43 into 3 meter square. So 129 meter square, also be 129 meter square, and their sum is 258 meter square. Now Nidhi divided this pentagonal shape into two parts. One part is a triangle, second part is a rectangle. So this one is given if A, B, C, D, E is a pentagonal, ABCD is a rectangular shape, and ECD is a triangular shape, and this one is base is given 12 meter. Now total height is given 28 meter, and this one is 15 meter. So obviously height for triangle is 13 meter, and base is 12 meter. Then area of pentagonal shape by Nidhi is equal to area triangle ABCE plus area triangle ECD, and this is L into B, 12 into 15, meter square, and this is half into 12 into 13 meter square, half into base into height. 15 12 is 180 meter square, plus 2 6 13 6 78 meter square, and their sum also be 258 meter square. So here this pentagonal shape is for finding area of this pentagonal shape, Neha use this type when means it is divided, this pentagonal figure is divided into two trapezium, and Nidhi divided this pentagonal figure into a rectangle and a triangle, and we will get the same area. Thank you, children.